Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to announce the biggest giveaway I have ever had on this channel. It actually includes myself, and you'll learn more about that later in the video. I've come to plantsbymail.com in southern Alabama. I shot a video here on how they go about boxing the plants and sending them out. I'll link that up here in the corner. If you're watching on YouTube, you can go back and watch that video. They're steady pulling plants here the beginning of February and shipping them out all over the country. I'm going to show you a few things around the nursery real quick that they're shipping that look great right this minute. This is a very large nursery that they actually pull the plants from. So one of everybody's favorites, there's lots of blueberries available on the plantsbymail.com website. There's several LOROPETALum varieties. There's gardenias over here. These are Jubilation gardenias. They probably have several varieties available at any given time. That's Jubilation right there. So they're going to have tons and tons of ENCORER azaleas, acres and acres and acres of ENCORER azaleas to choose from. Probably at any given time, probably have more varieties than almost anybody else is going to have available. There's boxwoods all in the nursery. When I said a lot of ENCORER azaleas to choose from, I was not exaggerating. Acres and acres and acres of ENCORER azaleas right here in front of me. I found another crop of blueberries. This is Hello Darling. I have one of these planted at my house that you guys can see this year, but they have a big crop of 1 gallons here that are available. Okay, so I've come into a house full of agapanthus, and I saw there was a couple varieties of agapanthus available on the website right now, and they told me there'd be more varieties over the course of the season, but look at this thing in full bloom. So I'm standing in front of some beautiful kaleidoscope abelia right here with their winter color on them to give you the details of the giveaway. I'm super excited about this one. Like I say, it is the largest giveaway that I've had on the channel thus far. There are 3 chances to win. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and comment below this video that you're currently watching. Any comment, doesn't matter what the comment is, enters you to win in the YouTube drawing. Go over to Instagram, find HortTube on Instagram, follow me over there, and then comment below the photo where I'm holding to plantsbymail.com boxes. Okay, find that photo. It might be a few days old by the time you watch this video. Find it, make a comment below that. That enters you for the HortTube Instagram drawing. Then go over to Plants by Mail on Instagram. Be sure to follow them over there. Find the same photo and comment below that photo. That's 3 ways to enter this drawing for 3 prizes. I'm going to pull a winner from each of those. We're going to put those winners into a hat, and on one of my Sunday videos, let's say, I think that would be maybe on the 14th, I think would be the next Sunday question and answer video. I will have drawn those 3 names. We'll put them in a hat, okay? The first name that I draw out of the hat will get a $50 gift card to plantsbymail.com. Not too shabby. Definitely free plant there. The second name I draw out will get a $100 gift card from plantsbymail.com. It's getting better, right? Okay. The grand prize, the last name left in that hat, is going to get a $500 gift card from plantsbymail.com to purchase plants for whatever spring project you got going on, and it gets bigger than that. It also includes a consultation with me, and we will go through the plantsbymail.com website together and pick the things from the website that are most appropriate for whatever project you have going on. We'll just do that on Zoom, and I get to meet you, and we'll spend your $500 gift card together. So I'm super excited about this giveaway, guys. Like I say, don't forget to follow plantsbymail.com on Instagram. Same thing with my Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel and do that commenting, and you're in there for 3 chances to win one of these 3 prizes. Thank you very much for watching.